So yun guys, hello, welcome to another video of Bank and Yang channel. Ako nga pala si Angela, and I'm airline pilot in real life. Ngayon, magiging fighter pilot naman tayo. So, disclaimer, lahat ng gagawin ko dito is yung depende lang sa alam ko yun yung available sa internet. I am not a real Air Force pilot, and I'm just doing this as a hobby. Okay, so ngayon, nakakuha lang ako ng tips and then ibang knowledge na pwedeng ma-share sa atin ng mga kaibigan nating nasa Air Force. Kaya ngayon, liliparin natin tong F4 Phantom. So this exact model is an F4E Phantom 2, made by Hitler for this is world. So ngayon, magdi-deliver tayo ng 12 bombs towards our target to the north east ng Guam. Okay, right now we're here, park at Adak. So, sa Adak natin tayo. And then, pag tinignan natin yung mapa, ito yung Guam. And then, nagagawin lang natin, take off tayo, short flight, gonna climb to 15,000, 20,000 feet, short climb, and then punta tayo sa range, dito sa may Rota Island, gonna deliver the bombs. So, 2 pass tayo, 6 and 6 bombs first, and then another pass, 6, and then go home. Then once pabalik na tayo, overhead brake, gears sa 2 4 left, and then pagka brake natin, landing, and then that's it. So that will conclude our mission for today. So punta na tayo sa ating cockpit. So ito yung cockpit ng F4. So, medyo luma siya, pero back in 1970s, 1960s ng Vietnam War, isa ito sa pinaka highly technological aircraft made by McDonnell Douglas. So, ito yung mga naunang may parang flight computer sa loob. So, meron siyang air-to-ground radar na bibigyan tayo ng solution para ma-drop natin yung bomba accurately. So, unang-una sa lahat is gagawin natin is kukumputin natin kung ano yung drag coefficient ng bawat bomba. So, trabaho natin yan kay Jester. Si Jester yung nasa sa likod, yung wizzo natin. So, DT, and then let's drop at 350 knots. Release altitude of 5,000. Target altitude is 1,500 feet. Let's say make it 550, and then dive angle of 30 degrees. So let's save. Tell Jester, ayun, Roger daw. And then bomb on target, 6 bombs. Okay. Yan lang yan. Then natin 0.1. 0.8 na lang. Yan. There you go. So, bombing table. And right now, nilalagay na ni Jester yung mga kailangan na information sa likod. And tayo dito sa harap. All you need to do is we're gonna arm this once airborne. And then, that's it. Okay, first thing to do is taxi lights, and then all lights on. So first we're gonna taxi to the arming and the arming pad. So clear. Yep. Best job in the world. Still my dream job. Okay, so left clear, center clear, right clear. So before tayo lumipad, ang na-share sa akin, pag merong dalang armaments or ordnance na ganyan, ina-arm pa daw yan. Okay, yep. Well, so ang gagawin is magta-taxi tayo sa arming the arming pad. So doon may mga aabang na Air Force personnel to arm the bombs. So usually nakikita ang mga arming pads sa end of the runway, sa may holding point ng mga air bases. So let's go to this arming pod. The first one. And tigil tayo dito. Yan. Okay, so siguro may check sila dyan. And then once done na, taxi na tayo. Kunyari, tapos na tayo. Actually, di ko alam kung ano ginagawa talaga nila exactly dun. Yeah, Anderson Tower. Gator 101, ready for departure, 06 right. Okay, Gator 11, you're clear for takeoff, runway 06 right. Clear for takeoff, runway 06 right. Gator 11. Okay, let's switch landing lights. Check. Anti-skid. Checked. Okay, let's stand by the radar missiles now. Okay. Hold brakes. Power up. Anti-fuel flow, check. RPM, check. ITT, check. Nozzle position, check. And we're good. Brakes, stable. Burners, check. Check. Okay, that's 150. Passive rate, gear up, 200, flaps up, slots up. Okay, that's 2,000 feet out of burners. Feet is wet. Okay, let's set up our aircraft for bombing. So let's arm this. Delivery mode DT. So set to bombs. Let's put 6. And intervals 0.08. There you go. Let's climb to Angels 1.5 or 15,000 feet. Let's use burners para mas mabilis. Tignan yung details. Ang ganda ng details ng aircraft na to. Okay, bawat part kung napapansin nyo, ewan ko napapansin nyo, nagbo-vibrate. Kahit yung needles, yung buttons, nagbo-vibrate. Okay, 14,000 feet. Let's roll over. Level off. Okay, kung nakikita nyo sa ating 1 o'clock, yun yung Rota. That's Rota Island. And somewhere over there, yung ating target range. Okay, while we're approaching, we have to set up the bombs first. Okay, we're now set up. Lagyan natin yung guns na rin. And let's arm the ordnances. Okay, in real life daw, so pagpa-approach sila sa bombing range, may sariling airspace ang bombing range. So, i-confirm ngayon ng mga piloto kung clear yung bombing range. So, for example, this is not the exact phraseology. So, for example, a range control, Gator 11, kung ano yung distance natin, approximately 10 miles from the south with 12 times Mark 82s and 600 guns. Entering the range, confirm range is clear. So sasagot siya, okay, range is clear. Gator 11, range is clear. Copy, range is clear, Gator 11. So ibig sabihin nun, walang ibang gumagamit na traffic, walang ibang gumagamit na personnel, and clear ng mga iba't iba pa yung para magamit natin yung bombing range. Okay, we're now level of the 15,000 feet. So, para medyo mabagal lang yun. Para medyo may time tayo. Pag nag-start kasi tayo sa mababa, konti lang yung time natin to react. And then, yung mga dala natin bomba is low drag. So, pag nagkamali tayo ng pull up or masyadong mabagal yung pull up natin, pwede tayong matamaan ng sarili nating shrapnels. Okay, let's get closed. So I want to run from south to north. So lipad tayo ng eastward for us to be able to do that. Kahit yung handle na yan para sa ejection seat, gumagalaw. Okay, let's switch to air to ground mode. So that's our target. Kita nyo yan? Yan. Yung mga kumpol na yan. Let's arm the bomb. Nose and tail para sure. Okay, about 10 o'clock, we'll start the dive. Okay, running in from south to north. Okay, in hot. Captured. Bombs away. Pull up. Okay, short. Let's adjust. Egress west. So let's climb a little bit higher. Okay, that's 15,000 feet. Let's do west to east run. Okay, Gator 11 in from the west. Gator 11 cleared hot. Cleared hot.
Captured.
Okay, captured. Okay, bombs away. Let's pull up. Boom. Good hit. Wala na tayong bomba. Nalaglag na natin lahat. So good hit on our first run. Try natin yung guns. Egress west and In from the west. Okay, we're good. So, okay na yan. Okay, 2 out of 6. And egress the south. Okay, let's disarm the aircraft. Master armor off. And we're off to Guam. Okay, Gator 1-1. Clear to land and break on the numbers. Break on the numbers, clear to land. Gator 1-1. It's 400 knots. On the numbers, Gator 1-1 on the break. Power idle, boards out. Let's pull 3 Gs. Okay, 250 knots, gear down, flaps down. Okay, downwind. Keep on descending.
And gear, flaps, pressure, warning lights,
check.
Anti-skid.
Yeah, so let's secure that 700 feet per minute descent. Okay, fly the airplane by feel. Look at the field. A little bit high, we're still high, descending. Check. Okay, 1 red, 3 whites.
500.
2 reds, 2 whites. Check. Shoot out.